Hey guys, so I'm on vacation right now, and yes, during this vacation I'm going to do a diet. This diet is gonna be ITZY YEJI's diet. So for her diet, breakfast time she either drinks water, ice cold water, or watermelon. Lunchtime, meat. Dinner time is chicken and salad. So I'm gonna follow this specific diet for 3 days, and I'm gonna see how my body changes, how my weight fluctuates. And yes, hope you guys continue to watch this video, like, subscribe, and comment. This is day 1 of the diet while I'm on vacation. Today I slept in, did not have breakfast, but for lunch I have sausages. We're gonna take the bus to downtown Halifax, now to the waterfront, and this is our bus stop. It comes every 60 minutes, so I don't know how long we're gonna wait.
60 minutes?
I'm at Palladium. Alright, today's second day of the diet, and I skipped breakfast again to sleep in. So this is lunch. Bacon and chicken wings. We just came back from our trip and we're having a late dinner. It's around like 11 p.m. right now. Dinner is chicken salad from Subway. So this is day 3, the last day of the diet, and for lunch I have barbecue chicken, just barbecue chicken with water. And I did not eat breakfast because I slept in again. So I will enjoy this. Of this diet, chicken and salad. I am finally done this diet. It's the 4th day. Yesterday was my last day. My last dinner was the chicken and salad. And overall, it was pretty good. It went well. Would I recommend this diet? Not really. I usually don't recommend diets. Would I myself do it again? Yes, I would. For the results, I do notice that I did slim down, especially my stomach area. The upper part did slim down and toned a bit. For my weight, I did lose weight. I didn't really have any side effects except for sometimes feeling hungry and craving sugary, salty food like ice cream and stuff. Other than that, I didn't have the other negative side effects like mood swings, headaches, weakness, those kind of side effects I usually get when I do the extreme diets. Yeah, overall, it went well. It went pretty well. My dog is drinking water pretty loudly. But yeah, if you watch this video, you'll see the before and after photos. Comment what you think of the results. Let me know. Give me some suggestions for next videos, new diets to try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in my next video. See you.